guys, you know our number one goal is to eliminate taxes. Today's topic is going to focus on your favorite expense category of your business, meals, and entertainment. We know you want to eliminate taxes on these dollars, and we do too. But guardrails established by Congress are making this category more difficult than ever to pad our expense accounts. So let's dig in and make sure we are on the same page when it comes to these expenses. The first thing we need to point out as we talk about several different types of tax treatments for expenses depending on their use, origin, and purpose is that we need each of these types of expenses to be broken out on your P&L in order to prepare an accurate tax return and ensure you are getting all the qualified deductions you are eligible for. Watch for the expense categories on the screen as we move through them. Validate these against your own chart of accounts to see if any of these new categories ought to be added. For 2021 and 2022 only, you can fully deduct 100% of meals and beverages provided by a restaurant. Beginning in 2023, if the current law is allowed to sunset, meals and beverage deductions will be reduced back to 50% of the dollars spent. However, office coffee, drinks, and snacks have been and continue to be subject to 50% deductibility. Entertainment costs like sporting events, theater, country club memberships, and golf for clients are not deductible at all. Interestingly though, these same exact costs when spent on employees for team building events are 100% deductible. Sidebar here, we get asked about finding a way to expense your boats, snowmobiles, cabins, and vacation homes. These personal use items are hard to prove they are 100% used for business purposes of team building events for your employees. Our proposal then would be to pay tax deductible amounts to yourself from your business account to rent these assets for your team building events. You would claim that income on your personal return, but deduct the associated costs of these assets, costs like depreciation, fuel, utilities, and insurance. The end result is you would get a tax break through the business and likely claim no taxable income personally. Let us know if you're pursuing this approach so we can talk about documentation and other appropriate ways to claim these transactions. Lastly, we know many of you are looking to disguise non-deductible entertainment costs in marketing or advertising as a means to deduct these costs are client acquisition costs. We weren't born yesterday. We know this is a prevalent method to claim those deductions. But we do want you to know that if you draw the unlucky straw and get an IRS audit, they will generally look at the amounts claimed on these accounts and they will disallow anything that smells like non-deductible entertainment costs. In summary, please make sure you have these expense categories in your books to help us prepare an accurate return. 1. Meals. 2. Entertainment-client. 3. Entertainment-team building. 4. Office snacks and drinks. Thanks everyone for watching, and as always, let us know what questions you may have.